7 Simple Tips on How to Secure Your Home. Securing your home is an essential part of keeping your family and belongings safe. There are many steps you can take to improve the security of your home and deter potential intruders. Here at Shoppiverse PH, we will provide you with some simple tips on how to secure your home and give you peace of mind. 1. Install a home security system. One of the most effective ways to secure your home is to install a home security system. A home security system can include security cameras, motion sensors, and alarms. The presence of a security system can deter intruders from attempting to break into your home. If an intruder does attempt to break in, the alarm will sound, and the security system will notify the authorities. 2. Keep your doors and windows locked. It may seem obvious, but many people forget to lock their doors and windows. Locking your doors and windows is the first line of defense against intruders. Make sure all the doors and windows in your home are locked before leaving the house or going to bed. 3. Use strong locks. Not all locks are created equal. Consider installing high-quality deadbolts on all exterior doors. Use heavy-duty strike plates that are screwed into the frame of the door. Make sure the screws are at least 3 inches long. This will make it difficult for an intruder to kick in the door. 4. Install outdoor lighting. Install outdoor lighting around your home to deter intruders. Motion-activated lights are an excellent choice because they will turn on when someone approaches your home. This will not only make it difficult for an intruder to approach your home unnoticed, but it will also make it easier for you to see if someone is trying to break in. 5. Trim overgrown trees and shrubs. Overgrown trees and shrubs can provide cover for intruders. Keep the landscaping around your home well maintained to make it more difficult for someone to hide and gain access to your home. 6. Don't advertise your vacation. When you go on vacation, don't advertise it on social media or leave a message on your answering machine. This will alert potential intruders that your home is empty and an easy target. Instead, ask a trusted neighbor or friend to keep an eye on your home while you're away. 7. Keep valuables out of sight. Keep valuable items out of sight, especially from windows that face the street. This will reduce the chances of someone breaking into your home to steal your valuables. In summary, securing your home is an ongoing process that requires constant attention. By following the tips in this video, you can significantly reduce the chances of someone breaking into your home. Remember, the safety of your family and belongings is worth the time and effort required to make your home more secure. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.